Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katerina, and today I am going to recreate a Bob Ross painting called Northern Lights, I think. So over the past 2.5 months of being in quarantine, maybe even 3 already, I decided to test my creativity and I bought some canvases, paint, and I started utilizing the paintbrushes that I had laying around in my room. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hope you enjoy this video. So, I have all my colors prepped here. My brushes are in this jungle cup. I have my water and then I have my little palette here. So I need a layer of black paint on my canvas. I'm gonna start doing that right now. Oh my god, thank god I'm wearing shorts. Okay, canvas is prepped. All right, let's get into this. Tie my hair up.
So you're probably asking yourself, why did Katerina cut out the part that was supposed to be in the video? Well, apparently I did not prep the canvas correctly. You'll see why.
So at the start of the video, he mentions how he had already colored the black canvas with a thin layer of black paint. That's what I did, right? And then I missed the part that he said he added like a thick layer of phthalo blue and phthalo green. So I'm gonna do that, right? And then I'm gonna go back and go over with white paint. That's how he got those colorful northern lights. I was like, how the hell am I supposed to get those colorful northern lights if I have black and white? I was like, oh my gosh, it's okay. Everything's gonna be great. We're gonna be good. We are back in business. This is attempt number 2.
Just tap me, titanium white on there. It's up to you.
What I like about him is that he says it's okay to make mistakes.
This is where the fun starts.
And it's a little bit difficult for me to kind of not be
Having this
perfectionist. I tend to focus on little details too much. Alright, it's now looking a lot better because I know that now I have my setup done correctly, and I'm so excited.
With a wide flat brush, I am pulling the white paint to create that northern light effect. Now with an even bigger brush, I am going through the canvas to dramatize the effect of the northern lights.
Improvise and take this packaging, right? Okay, and utilize this. My knife.
I didn't mention this, but with this improvisation of a knife, I am now creating mountains. Now it is time for some snow.
Okay, just keep going. You got this. Come on. Oh my god. It's like blue snow. Blue snow? I think it's fine, right?
No pressure.
No pressure at all. Just no pressure. I'm like shaking right now. I went down to the kitchen, I found this thing. I can utilize it as the knife. I'm gonna take some of the white and blue, and I'm going to put that right over here. Works better. Yeah. No. Okay, so on camera, it doesn't look that bad. Which is good, right? Now I'm blending it out. And it's not blending, as you can tell. I forgot to film. So, I tried to fix the mountain, didn't work, and now I'm doing trees. So I took some black, brown, and phthalo blue, and now I'm making these trees, right? And see, the thing is, They look like blobs. I'm just gonna go through this. This is a makeup brush, right? And I feel like it's a little too soft compared to his fan brush. So, I think that's why it's not looking very too good. I'm just gonna keep on going and let's see how this is going to be because I really want to see the results. All right, so I need some white and some blue.
I want just pop in some indications of how you do tree trunks. Pull straight up. Very light.
Pull straight up.
Very light. Just a little
Okay. Yay.
light area down here at the base of these trees.
Just makes it a little prettier. Prettier. So your light gets dark, dark gets light, continue.
Bushes. Don't want to kill all.
Now there's bushes. We're gonna create some bushes. I love his voice. It's very therapeutic.
Just about to make a decision and have it
Let it happen. Make a decision. Let it happen. Let it happen.
straight down. Straight down.
Wow. Wait.
Grassy areas back here.
Happy little grassy areas. Everything happy. Okay, we're going back to the neck now.
Just barely touching the canvas.
Barely touching the canvas. Barely. When I'm barely touching the canvas, none of the paint comes on. Oh my god. Indication of snow. Okay.
It's okay. Yep. It is totally fine. Nothing to worry about. Nothing.
Okay, going in with some blue and black to add this little tree. Sitting right over there. And then we're adding another tree right over here. I'm gonna go back in with some white to add a little bit of snow. I'm gonna add another tree. So I'm continuing to add dimension to this tree, right? And I feel like it actually looks not bad. It's not that bad. I'm done with these two trees. Bob Ross just added another two trees right over here, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna add some blue bushes, 2 dimensions. And then I'm adding some more dimension to the tree. There's some white bushes that I need to add here, so I'm gonna do that real quickly. So now we're adding some accents on the left, so the other bushes from the left side are gonna come through and keep out with that white color. All right, adding some more dimension here. Bushes pop out more. The cabin, a little bit more blue to kind of make it pop out more. Okay. I'm using some brown for the front of the cabin. Like so. And then we have the door. Oop. It's all crooked. Okay, now this is the side of the cabin. Hey, not bad. Hey, almost done. Yeah. Now I'm adding a little bit of white for the cabin's top. I'm using my finger again because unfortunately this is not working. Now I'm adding some more snow. And I think that's it. So since I run out of black and white paint, I'm not able to completely finish this painting. This is my result. I am actually quite happy with how this came out. It's not as good as Bob Ross's, but hey, it's pretty okay. I unfortunately didn't have the right amount of black and white paint to finish this whole entire painting, and I didn't have the right materials. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, bye.